You go use so for be so dear by on so to be a cover. The year no, and then when we saw one study or more yet, I are woman in action. Or woman women. So who cry, we are sending away who cry. Who cry, not yet look me up. Put your baby, or who should if you could be here for the penny because the penny everything to be a president, everything to be a first lady, everything to be a piano. You want to call baby a first lady. Near for sure, near no four. Try the back of the was the first lady. Or be ampene. And
I had to say, and it'll be different as if you wish I would die. Ghana can start an about time be cry et me catch any baba say wo dey aba Facebook kunya hu ya na dey aba Twitter dey ma wan no kunya hu ya na dey hu ya fe bi jifo na so ko so wa ko bobre what you say sa picture sa wo yi be I'm back bra wo so yo so pa yeti
sa picture sa wo yi be and Mama do was saying the home.
What is this?
Yehoah, yeah.
It's scary.
It's on social media.
What saying? And the WhatsApp picture you.
It's happening.
You wish I said, will you be your man? It's a man you must say, we are you. And I'm about to be a say. And one of Papa may say, and I'm about to be a watch and one and I'm about to be a baby.
Say, yeah, social media, so say, yeah.
Any I go raw as a youth. Nana me busa who said, Woba last na me tie broni bi a won was say. So oba who say beri ma waro who kwatra ni fia na nye de obey hu we na beri ma be waro kwatra ni.
Nope.
Enye de who be hu e na beri ma be waro e be ba be waro e de kwatra ni fie. Na mo
ka me ni na ko school.
Social media and one of one. One not very many because for no fan who ya day and chere. Say CMS is a fear kata wo sie. En kwara o mo gina we en kata hu be pan o makata mo ni esie. O mo de kan pon mo ni padua ama bronsam. Ama bronsam be bo mo ye adwuma nurses fo nya na wo apu mo tui. Me bi wo mo apu mo to de kire wo mo de fans. And then that's point out you should have performed the same time and no much just and yes me skinny you know and then akola abayiwa you to ni na mo baby obedru amema ho na aso ne nante what me wo so the twin say atwe woni bi kra no wo so kiki me say nante ye no bi enu wo be fra wo they should be very careful. No one changing your own ways. We are say, and you could be sitting next year, can you could be near Chichani and go, hey, what do you want to bet today? And another baby so for me because it is like I'm to work with Santora.
Yeah,
can it's not 3 years. Our charges are 1 year, so 3 years. What I'm passing 1 year, so it's not yet to be 14 years, 20 years. Can what do so? If you say between and with crap, which I said I would charge you so. Yes, Mayuano, yes, Mayuano, yes, we and Sayo, yes, Omusho Makwano, my force them. We were trying for you to go to yes, and I will phone you. Or go also now, I will phone send the balance when ya, yes, and then Mama Dibia by TikTok was a 1 way abbey. What to say? And then opening the banner TikTok. The mamma share short skirt, no, the banner share short skirt, and Omopu Abrewa contract. One penny baby can move what you want to go and why TikTok. ne no kwatiegu wa shensatin na ne ba ni so shensatin na mu nufu apepe na mesi wa ahwe abesiri wa se de wo gini ho ye se internet abenta na ye se gini ho sa en se bia ye se internet abenta na ye gini ye ho ye ngwongwo ye ho ene wo ba tan wo ba panini no wa short skirt essence man wa short skirt no so abro wa so ko short skirt and you see the skin a few months and can skin your machine
I mean penufin na shebi
yes so put the skin
na besiriwa abesiriwa
na the funny thing is na omo ye ni nyina no e hanom no it's not condone so you can't do that over here want me enye sa you have a platform ebia or hidden platform but sana Ghana social media where normal elaborating just everybody is there do whatever they please you know I had no more restrictions want me to be able to air again anything you can place on the air when now I start buying limited stuff Ghana, you're limited stuff because social media, no, there's limitation on everything. It's a buying limited stuff. Said, again, being not I'm mindful. To social media, more degrading more degrading more as a nation.
More
degrading pie into young should be here. Papa, in the sense, what per platform and master, what per followers, do something that will be blessing to the whole nation as a whole.
I know you are the pie, you support you, you shampoo,
something. Actually, we shouldn't say that. We never know when God can touch somebody's heart. We shouldn't say that almost change. No, somebody. What we are doing right now, we should share it. We should share it. We should trend it because something trending. Let's pass this on. What we are doing right now, this information that we're giving out here, let's share it so that others. Wow, should this despicable things, disgusting, and very disgusting. What the children then what? What the children
say? Grandkids we in Kwarawi.
We are here Who degrading who? Because 10 years from now, what also you look back and say, I wish I didn't do this. 10 years from now, when you're 10 years, that's what I wish I didn't do this. Not that I wish, now it's too late. In the end, shouldn't be here. I will 42. We shouldn't encourage this foolishness. I shouldn't encourage this foolishness. Because in fact, any brain, well, you have one more for any brain. You have one because Obi back or what do you call it? Obi back or SUV, Obi back or Lexus, Obi back or Saint, you know, and so whatever it takes for you to buy it, you know, go do it. And we say, very rare, cano, and the root of all this foolishness. Because when you compare don't be back at the when you tell your child to go to the same. The competition among us is stupid. Why? And start saying and start crying and start saying so I be the abanopa. What the baby? Obi the ba amajo. So why are you trying to force yourself to get something that you don't have now? Why? That's the question I'm asking now. It's the end of the brave no. Obi the abanopa. Ebia 10 years from now also the beba. Ebia 5 years from now also the beba. Obi the aba 2020. Obi the 2025 before you can get your own. So in life, I would say everyone could be. So mothers and fathers, young country for entity and ma. Young for God principles and the ma. Number me no be there. Islamic council. Some sister kind, we try our best to give them the godly values, but we are more from the friends that they makes a big hole in their lives. Okay. Friends you are my wow, more need free adum, worst nightmare. No one that obey introduce you to that lifestyle. When name slow out for no name more. This is the time so I have for me catch who saw back what thing them soon project that will find a call water. This is the time of over domino because sometimes I will find where they are obtaining the domain ma. And this is the time you go on your knee and see God face for Abofrano. Bomba is the right who be a enemy banner by on corner. Titi mommy. Titi mo friend, titi na mommy. Now who name banso. Men feel before some who to a catcher of friend because and when you go and touch them and what any war away and touch them. It is what also what to ban in a godly manner. Now from Adam hoping them someone. Don't give up on the child. Keep on praying for the child. Because we were wayward, but not to assume what this kids are doing right now. But young papa give up, young man will give up on us. All this ridiculous thing again here is not necessary. It's not necessary, but our attention.
Attention.
Unnecessary attention. What do we need to? Would you that obi person warrior on the phone could fear? Because what at the jadram? Send a yakasa, what you are waiting that the chair you are seeing that's will be a share. When says that social media, they but trust you free so your lifetime never go. Whatever you do now, and you're the free so you shall also hear. Somebody said, almost pressing delete button on their end, made delete here. They said, delete your social media line.
Or be quite on the phone. So, in the house, our 4 years should be advise our kids and keep on praying for them as parents. Yet, there's smoking for a dear my mofra. Yet, we shouldn't give up. You sorry, mama. Make us to fire, branch it. Or then you give up and calling things on her or him. No, okay, see Abofrano, they put my chow. I will for Muti. Ubana for water. Please pray for your child. Keep on praying for the child. Send
social media and some do a boy can be so many nepa. Now, and I'm social media, so ama. Nyuma bebre esisi ewo wiase na ye ba ye ma afem na ade ba ko a e matena se na mehu se nyuma ye se bi ehia oba bra bem number 1 nanim number 2 ne nofo number 3 ena ne to it is any man ye se ya da ya ade bi a on social media oba se wa ango ye nanim ga o ama meto wa ena to no media e wo so tu kwa akwa hene kuro
tentina akwa wo obemfo
so no it will not so come and do what we are more than a chick. And they never do an equade. One for now, we will be doing a minimum said, Sir, tracking and make our seminal. 7 minutes said that over school for snap. Meaning, good, I tell you, let's say, I said, yes, send up over a echo snap. Let me be a Nigerian, maybe I'm not following my IG. Now, what you say, or you need to be a Teresa Adiano. Now, the 2 way, as if no other than I also. Now, one of us shall see how to make a sound. And I was in the social media day. It's what I did that I want to say. What did there any sign of money? Then I use a simple do the see and so it's me as I did. Or do the see and so to me the camera is in the cheek. That's not one empty social media. Indeed. And was set apart back. I'm a man of Babbitt to address a black or one body. No, Satadia, which is a winner who would have been just a crown. I did also a woman I would say, and let come on it. And you was saying, I say now, and then no baby, I general also said, may follow me the next letter, may not follow me the next letter, may new one so. Maybe that's right. It's a matter of being I want to know follower. No, so follow no was yes, man. It is a banner industry, no. Over industry, no more. No one is saying to Johnny one Montana, and one woman and Montana. And it's not the upcoming singers, no one about yes, no man. Will be our grandfather between the just stage. Yes, it will be the chicken bagels, a different day. No, I said, I make it. If you always say, Aluna, you're the bad one to me. One say and say the epic. It will be a shot, say, I'm coming here. And I say, to be me, but women, say suno enu wura ni nyina say ewiase no nipa ewu wiase na nkasa ye ne je kwasia ne ma wade me hono enye na ye kwasia ne ma ho ye ne je ho ankasa obi na sa say ne de kama so pictures ya wode be wa ha no fo na wode me to so wa ha no fo na wode me to enti apanso na no ba wonye bibia afa nkyere obi na ye hu say ye ni sa ne ne bia ye nye oba ye hu say no ma ye hu say indeed ye ma ya no ene ma ye hu say indeed ya woto nya ma ye bi ene nya me de dum ne he si bi de dia ene broda ye ni mo so bi echi na be kire ko ye ni mo na ho enso ye chi ene be kire biase se biase ne de enhwe enti ma ni biase no eni ko bebre ehwe se ya man se ye we ya e wo bi no ene me so metuni ya ye bi ene me so metuni be aye bi e dia bon polo sha se sa ya man fo ne ma se sa te ma ne e bon ma ne de na e ko sa no no wa wo but e don sa wo e do man na e bi wo e do man na followers awa wo e do man tuni a trend ya hete no e no ne ma no se ne me ko so ma e de ma je enti e ba o de sa platform ya e wo so die ma ka papa se e de ne ma awe ho e ni se ye ntanyi fo pa no e ne ne nyina no mo tena se mo social media e mo di awe ho because the first generation we know those days ya na wo ye mo ma se no ma se enti se enei because enene die enema time enene die enema den asai so ni nyina ne se ye pese di pe mu se ye so ye we it's a brand so ne die be cars no cars no de me we edge ya me na metimi etu kwa asai enti bwana ho enti amad zuto no what ni fie kwa no he na ose nya ni wo do ni enya me so na e de mesua no enti mali bebre asai ne se me be se ni pan so ni na hu se me so na ho me be se adafo ni na hu se me so tini ye bibi we enti ade no ni bi kura na o fo so e eye so no enti youth ne die in fact the generation say bi kaka e yare na e yare asem na ye no kwafo ana ama sa anya mo nya da SC san se bia dan se mere da e de ko mi ni pa we we se wa sundie wa asase we se so ba we se be ni pa nya mo so mo wa sundie no e po free me na ko pon se na da e ba ti sa anya mo we nyina ene na me wo se wo jibi ni a e wo so wo se e wade se na ko fo de me ye wo mu e ya mera e wo se me ye ni dere ye me ye ni de e dere enti generation ni de gani se ya me ka no in fact ene ma o sha se ne enema ekwa obi apese oyi so ade e wo hai so ati ase wo ko flight kura na obefa ye kesi ne boarding na what mu o take picture just to show it out there and then you did kura show it out there ye be jale kura na show it out there utim say social media na didi abra go ama whatever that we are doing we want to post it out there ye didi kura na ye pese ne ye fanti we self na nyina it is a radia mamu pa baby ati na me mamu a akasesam ye ni paje akasesam edo akasesam ye ni paje ya ni nyina aye quotation ma me di nka o Timothy no no sika ni bredi ye no kan ti no eno na ma niam wo nyina because we pese ye ya ade bi a ye be ya be de be ni sika aye be e bia agi ni e wo sasa we say so
adam pe na me internet so na me ko hu old picture take the picture or the yere come on there na tade na she na free this room sin na ase na ana kwadu ye ababawa ene tibusa wo se wo so kokoye panyini bi ne ye koyi old picture ba ye benye sa account ni bia na because the social media dey ko gu nyina ye nakedness and say na me ayi wadu no phobia be wallow now what the one or two or page mu na wo ko hehe to ko you pictures about you wo benya bibi dey gu so ka se na me yiri the nakedness
obi a friend grandmother pa be hu
no nakedness ye be ya to mama no
generation grandmother
and you to be an because na kwenti na ye kunyi ni de maba wa brebu ba na straight way session na esi na asi o ni hu be bia koba ye koyi sofo bi so de ba ono so hu be bia koba na yire no ente ne maba ni musa wo nsade o mo ye ayi o mo nwene dachi o mo nwene ne te wo kura wo yes anima we na wo kura na bi na unua baby wo busuani bi akodi panyini bi because the panyini ebetimi ato obi a president ebetimi ato obi a first lady ebetimi ato obi a ebia na nyame aye wadom na ka wo beba be first lady ni ye kohwe wo niam mpo wo no fo to na beka so beba ni so as the first lady obi ampene obi
I to say and obi be the president so be the mo ehia budaye ka Ghana ka sada na metwa medimu
so atese enti eniema ekoso wo wiase no eya na
I penny for look at them look at them
wo mu ti o mu because ye leaders na wo mu di yanim no me hu ye leader bia wo di yanim ti se picture ya da beto na crowd winning vice president yiri afade o ma fenka boni bi yanim o ade na wo mu di yensua wo
and trendy
oh na de no mu de omunye ye role model na ne ese no no kwa beto so wo di akutu atale ya no na ye role model
and no
ye wo ko de
obi in fan ba
so what I say what tattoo ato no de beda sink mu and no dey role model enti ni pa be wuro ye ho akosi da ben eni pa be wuro wo ho akosi da ben and then na bon sound dey be wiase o picture na dey aba no and osan bo na du kura ka ho enso na yeso bo du kwa wo chi mu be bon
ewu
hey Ghana mummy ehwe bibi yo ewiase mummy ehwe bibi yo ade akwa nsi ewe fa mo se Yesu ba ewiase ni ba wiye ewiase ni ba na ba wiye enti ponsam aboni pa ni fraye because ade omu ye akwa nsi Sodom and Gomorrah bia na Ghana fo ni anase atiasi wiase ni nyame penku na na ye because ro wo bo ho de ya eye adwamambo enye adwamambo na wo ho fa nye hwe wo tre kemfa nkwaje hwe esa so obere ma bi kon do na wo ba best wo pe na se bi obitimi kasa wo de oni me nana ma bisika keke emme ware me ene me metwempena wo de ma bin finger wo de ma min tupu wo de ma min nyu sei wo de ma min nyu sei na ma me 2 heroes na ma adai
obi say oh no like utia ne ka obi betena TV so say $200 no wo betena so a utia bana one no say wo ne ho pe eno ano ne ho ba
baby
ehu
$1,000
Yehoah no kwasa pa
Yesu ba o
Jimmy kwa
ye kikamu Yesu ba ye boje wuba ebi ni pa bi areho se ni hwe ni pa be catchy because ni pa nya ready sa asem a ye ka no mede on betie tricking any ahonworo de o ma ye ready so betie asua se ni ye nua fie ka no etimi ko sua se o betre tio me hu se na me bo social media so amwonya comment amwonya viewers here and now obi dia tamdidi na social media so nya viewers o obi dia tamdidi and na social media so nya viewers and now obi dia to pabuo and nya viewers obi dia awrowro ho and nya just say obi dia nsanom keke kwa betina social media nya viewers obi di we no di we esi no pu vi se pu chire Yesu ba